So as near as I can tell, it looks like my Photos app has tried to populate these pre-installed collections with photos that it thinks belong in those collections, even though I don't have Apple Intelligence. And it's sort of a hit or miss operation. For example, in the recent days collection, the first day listed is July 19th, 2021. And if I open it, it's pictures of me playing basketball from 50 years ago. And these obviously weren't pictures I took with my iPhone. These were pictures somebody sent me, and I added them to my Photos app. So let's go back to the library. And what I would like to do is just focus on the collections that I have some control over and that I can add photos to manually. So what I want to do is scroll down to the very bottom, and at the very bottom it says Customize and Reorder. I'm going to press and hold on the three lines next to Albums and put them at the top of the list. Maybe I'll just move Pin Collections down. There we go. And then I also want Shared Albums to be up at the top of the list with Albums. So I press and hold on the three lines and drop Shared Albums there. I want to leave Media Types and Utilities turned on because those are menus, and then I also want to leave Wallpaper Suggestions on. And starting with Pinned Collections down to Featured Photos, I've turned all those collections off just by tapping in the circle to the left of the name of the collections, so it goes from a check mark to just a blank empty circle. So I won't be distracted by those other collections that I really don't have a lot of control over. And I tap the X, scroll up. So now I've got a much simpler list of collections. It consists of albums, shared albums, media types, utilities, and wallpaper suggestions.